Welcome back to my channel, guys. My last video for sweet and sour chicken, so I'm not sure what happened there, so I'm redoing it. I've got all my chicken diced. I'm gonna put it in a bowl and get the marinade started. So for the marinade, we're gonna use some salt and pepper. Okay, so we got the salt and pepper in, and now I'm going to add a half cup of orange juice and just see if that's going to be enough based on how much chicken, and I think it will be. This is 2 chicken breasts, by the way. Yeah, I think that's going to be good. Alright, this needs to sit for 30 minutes, so in 30 minutes we'll come back. We'll add some more to this chicken to make a batter and go ahead and start the frying process. Okay, now we've had them marinating a half an hour, so I'm going to go ahead and make the batter right in the same bowl as the marinade. Just add an egg, and then a half cup of flour, and a heaping half cup of cornstarch. And then I just go in with my hands and mix it because you want to make sure everything is coated. And then we're going to go over and get this fried up. I'm on the second fry. Okay guys, we're going to make a sweet and sour sauce. I've got a cup of water. Going to turn the heat on, medium high. And I'm going to put in a 1/4 cup of pineapple juice. That's optional. And then we're going to be using just about a tablespoon of ketchup. And we're going to be using a cup of white sugar. Just regular white sugar. Need a teaspoon of soy sauce. Let me grab a teaspoon. Okay. Three tablespoons of vinegar. Since I have rice wine vinegar, I'm just going to use that, but white vinegar is fine. And we're just going to let that warm up. I think the ketchup is really, not only is it sweet, but it's supposed to give it some red color, like the sweet and sour sauce you see in the restaurants. But we're going to just add some red food coloring to this. Just need to get everything melted together. The sugar dissolve. Okay, so everything is just about dissolved. I'm going to go ahead and put in some food coloring. And I've got some cornstarch water here. Let me just give it another stir. Alright, you can see it's kind of going translucent. And if you remember the sauce, I mean, it is a more liquid sauce than a thick sauce like our orange chicken. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and get this in a bowl. Alright, so I'm going to put just a little bit of oil in. Drop in some onions. And just about a half a sweet pepper. You can use garlic if you'd like as well, or any other vegetables. You know, throw some carrots in, or broccoli, cauliflower, anything you would want. I'm just doing kind of a simple one. Chicken ready. I've already prepared it. It's the same recipe that I used for the orange chicken. And I'm going to put just a little bit of the sauce over, maybe a lot. You could also just serve it on the side. Alright, so there we have it, all mixed up with a little sauce poured over. But I also have just the sauce with some chicken in case, you know, someone would prefer to just dip it. But it's very delicious. Hope you guys give it a try.